let's try this again. So what we have here is we have a really long, complicated problem. Okay, and the idea is that we need to solve it for m. So this is going to be a three-step deal. First thing is to simplify it. It's really complicated, so we need to uncomplicate it. Second step is going to be to collect all of the unknowns on one side of the equation. And the third step will be to solve. Okay, so to simplify this here is the complicated part, because this subtraction means we're subtracting the result of this entire process right here. Because remember, following order of operations, you always do it inside the parentheses first. Well, we can't do it inside the parentheses because of this, because of the unknown. These are not like terms. So I'm going to put a little 1 here. I call that my placeholder. Okay, so now I do my sign changes. And boom, 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 boom. Okay, so simplifying, break the order of operations, we're going to use distribution. And I can do some other work as I go along. Okay, so first things first, I've got 12 plus -1 times m, put that in parentheses, negative m, plus negative times negative is positive, so we just have a 2. And even though order of operations says we would need to do the parentheses first, and we're using distribution to break that order, since these things are separate, we can kind of combine these right now. So we can take that 2m and that negative 2m, which are going to cancel out, and leave us with the 3m in the middle. Plus 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 3 times negative 3m is negative 9m. Remember, just multiply the coefficients. So now add our like terms over here. We've got 14 plus negative m equals 3m, and negative 3m is negative 6m plus 15. Collect all of the m's on one side of the equation. So we'll add 6m to both sides. So we have 14 plus 5m equals 15. Subtract 14, and 5m ends up equaling 1. Divide by 5. M equals 1/5.